preparedness starts long before a moment like this. It begins with choosing a tool you trust. Something reliable, discreet, and accurate. Training and practice ensure you are capable of defending and safeguarding your life and those around you. The ones you love. It is a choice every day. The choice to prepare. To protect. The choice is clear. The VP9CC. It's worth it.